Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Linda with LG Queen Home Decor. Today we're getting this refrigerator completely refreshed. Over time, a fridge can get lots of use and become messy, needing a deep clean. I'll be taking you all along on a shopping trip with me to stock up on some delicious summer snacks and everyday food essentials that my family enjoys. Whether you're planning for busy summer days, family gatherings, or simply looking for inspiration to organize your refrigerator, I hope today's video gives you plenty of ideas to help make your fridge feel fresh, functional, and ready for any season. I'll also be sharing organization tips along the way to help keep everything neat, easy to find, and looking its best, because if you can see it, then you can eat it. As always, thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel. In today's video, I'll be giving away $100 to one winner to help with your next grocery haul or home refresh. To enter, make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who loves grocery shopping, organization, and all things home. Thank you to CVS for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get started. As I'm giving this refrigerator a deep clean in preparation for the restock, I'm thinking ahead to everything we'll be doing throughout this summer. Whether it's spending the day at the lake, heading to the beach, packing lunches, enjoying cookouts, or taking road trips, having everything prepared ahead of time makes life so much easier. Many of you ask where I find some of the items I use around in my home, and I wanted to share a few summer favorites I recently picked up that I know everyone will enjoy. Today's portion of the video is sponsored by CVS. Most people already know CVS as a great place for beauty, skincare, and health items, but I was really surprised by how many summer essentials they carry. Since I'm preparing fresh meals and snacks today, I wanted a better, more reliable way to keep everything ice cold while we're on the go in the heat. I picked up this Arctic 28 can everyday cooler, and it's been perfect for family outings, weekend road trips, afternoon picnics, and backyard cookouts. It has an extra roomy insulated interior that can hold up to 28 cans with ice, a durable puncture-resistant outer construction, comfortable padding carrying straps, and it's lightweight enough to take anywhere seamlessly. I also like that the wide, easy access zippered opening makes packing larger food containers completely effortless without spilling. For smaller, quick outings, I also grabbed the Arctic 2-in-1 chill-out cooler bag. It's compact, lightweight, and the perfect size for cold drinks, fresh fruit, and quick snacks when you don't need a full-size cooler. Then for hands-free convenience on longer walks or day hikes, this Arctic lightweight backpack cooler has been fantastic. It features heavily padded adjustable shoulder straps, so it's comfortable to wear, easy to carry over long distances, and keeps both hands completely free while still holding plenty of food and drinks. The meals and snacks I'm preparing today fit perfectly inside these various coolers, making them ready to grab and go whenever we need them. To go along with everything, I also picked up this Cook with Color tumbler ice cube tray. I really like that it makes long, narrow ice cubes designed specifically to slide directly into tumblers and reusable water bottles, so your favorite drinks stay ice cold for hours during these hot summer days. Of course, no summer routine is complete without good dermatologist-tested sun protection. CVS has some great summer sun care deals happening right now, so I picked up several Neutrogena favorites. The Clear Face sunscreen is another great everyday option, especially for acne-prone skin, because it has an oil-free formula that won't clog pores or cause breakouts. I also picked up the Pure and Free Baby sunscreen with naturally sourced zinc oxide for sensitive skin, the Sun Gentle cleansing wipes to easily remove sunscreen, sweat, and dirt after being outdoors, and the Sun Rescue After Sun Relief Gel with soothing aloe vera to cool and hydrate skin after a long day in the sun. They all feel great, and our family really enjoys them all. Having everything together makes it easy to build a complete summer routine instead of shopping for products separately at different stores. Another thing I really like about shopping at CVS is how convenient they make everything for busy schedules and last-minute trips. I usually order online or right through the free CVS mobile app and use their buy online, pick up in store service because it saves so much valuable time. My order is always ready at the counter when I arrive, making it easy to grab everything and get right back home to start packing. If you're not already an Extra Care member, it's definitely worth signing up because you'll get instant access to exclusive sale prices, including those yellow tag deals in store, while also earning valuable extra bucks rewards back on almost every single purchase. If you upgrade to Extra Care Plus, you'll receive free same-day delivery on eligible items, a monthly $10 bonus reward to spend on whatever you want, and even more savings for only $5 a month. These are just a few of my top summer favorites I found at CVS that will make this refrigerator refresh even more useful on the go and skincare items throughout the season. If you would like to shop any of the products I shared today and to learn more, be sure to check out the links in my description box. Thank you again to CVS for sponsoring this portion of today's video, and now let's get back to this restock. I want to thank everyone who took the time to watch my video and made it here to the end. I hope you were inspired with ideas and motivation for your own refrigerator organization and deep cleaning routine. I'd be delighted to hear what your favorite part of today's video was by leaving a comment below. Make sure to check out the items I found from CVS. I'll leave the direct links in my description box for easy access. In case you missed my latest videos I just posted a few days ago where we featured complete room makeovers, I'll also leave those on the screen for easy access when this video ends. I look forward to talking to you on my next video. Take care.